folks, this is Penny at Classic Chevy in Sugar Land, Texas, and today I'm featuring one of our favorite vehicles, the Chevy Avalanche. This is a 2011 LTZ. As you can see, it has the entertainment package on it and the fully electric sunroof. It also has the Bose speaker system, and it has navigation and rear backup camera. This vehicle has black leather interior, power windows, power seats, cruise control, voice activated commands, automatic lights, power mirrors, power folding mirrors. The LTZ is fully loaded, has the luggage rack, alloy wheels. This is a beautiful 2011 silver Avalanche. Again, LTZ is the top of the line trim package in Chevy's products. Has the rear backup sensors, so it has the sonar feature. The rear cover the Avalanche is known for. This is the 5.3 liter V8 Chevy Avalanche 2011. Again, this is Penny at Classic Chevy in Sugar Land, Texas. Come on down and see this Avalanche. Ask for Penny. We'd love to have you test drive it.